Hello students, welcome to RG Studio. My name is Rahul, I am a teacher. In this video, I will give you information regarding 20 very important multiple choice questions for the preparation of entrance exams for Master of Public Health MPH, Master of Hospital Administration, MHA, MBA, Healthcare and Hospital Management, MSc Zoology, MSc Botany, MSc Biochemistry for various university and institutes like ICMR Bhubaneswar, Common University in Trent, UTPG, एम्स ऋषिकेश, एम्स रायपुर, एम्स जोधपुर, जिपमेर पुडुचेरी, क्रिश्चियन मेडिकल कॉलेज वेल्लोर, IIPH, इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ पब्लिक हेल्थ, निम्हांस बेंगलोर, लखनऊ यूनिवर्सिटी, पुणे यूनिवर्सिटी, राजस्थान यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ हेल्थ साइंसेज जयपुर, JEMS PG, HGPGI लखनऊ, KGMU लखनऊ, and for all other university and institutes which conducts public health, hospital administration, MSc Zoology, Botany, Biochemistry, etc. entrance exams, and students who are preparing for various university and institutes, public health, hospital administration and other competitive exams. And for this, if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974 for online or offline coaching and important questions PDF notes. WhatsApp number is 9411513974. Kindly like, share and subscribe this video. Here first question is digestion of starch in mouth takes place by. Digestion of starch in mouth takes place by. Options are amylase, tylins, pepsin, lipase. Correct answer is tylins. Digestion of starch in mouth takes place by tylins. So digestion of starch in mouth takes place by tylins. Next question is, in human digestive system, the process of digestion starts in human digestive system, the process of digestion starts in. Options are A, esophagus, B, buccal cavity, C, duodenum, D, stomach. Correct answer is option B, buccal cavity. In human digestive system, the process of digestion starts in buccal cavity. So in human digestive system, the process of digestion starts in buccal cavity. Next question is, enzymes are essential for body because. Enzymes are essential for body because. Options are A, they provide energy, B, they control nervous system, C, these are the structural part of the body, D, these are the catalyst of biochemical activity. Correct answer is option D, these are the catalyst of biochemical activity. Enzymes are essential for body because these are the catalyst of biochemical activity. So enzymes are essential for body because these are the catalyst of biochemical activity. Next question is, the enzyme which take part in digestion of milk protein. The enzyme which take part in digestion of milk protein. Options are A, pepsin, B, trypsin, C, renin, D, irisin. Correct answer is option C, renin. The enzyme which take part in digestion of milk protein. Correct answer is renin. So renin is the enzyme which take part in digestion of milk protein. Next question is, maximum nutritive element absorbed by blood from which part of alimentary canal. Maximum nutritive element absorbed by blood from which part of alimentary canal. Options are A, large intestine, B, mouth, C, small intestine, D, stomach. Correct answer is option C, small intestine. Maximum nutritive element absorbed by blood from small intestine of alimentary canal. Next question is, the enzyme found in saliva. The enzyme found in saliva. Options are A, renin, B, tylin, C, tannin, D, resin. Correct answer is option B, tylin. The enzyme found in saliva is tylin. So enzyme that is found in saliva is tylin. Next question is, which of the following is necessary for digestion of food? Which of the following is necessary for digestion of food? Options are A, air, B, water, C, enzyme, D, mineral. Correct answer is option C, enzyme. So enzyme is necessary for digestion of food. Enzyme is necessary for digestion of food. Next question is, saliva secreted from mouth digest. Saliva secreted from mouth digest. Options are A. Protein, B. Starch, C. Fat, D. Vitamin. Correct answer is option B. Starch. Saliva secreted from mouth digest starch. Next question is, which of the following acid is found in the stomach of man? Which of the following acid is found in the stomach of man? Options are A. Sulfuric acid, B. Hydrochloric acid, C. Nitric acid, D. Picric acid. Correct answer is option B. Hydrochloric acid. So hydrochloric acid is found in the stomach of man. Hydrochloric acid is the acid which is found in the stomach of man. Next question is, digestion of protein is started from? Digestion of protein is started from. Options are A. Liver, B. Stomach, C. Small intestine, D. Large intestine. Correct answer is option B. Stomach. Digestion of protein is started from stomach. So digestion of protein is started from stomach. Next question is, enzyme secreted by stomach digest the food, but stomach is not digested by this digestive juice because. Enzyme secreted by stomach digest the food, but stomach is not digested by this digestive juice because. Options are A. Wall of stomach is lined with mucus, B. This is made up of hard cells, C. It is made up of steel, D. None of these. So correct answer is option A. Wall of stomach is lined with mucus. So enzyme secreted by stomach digest the food, but stomach is not digested by this digestive juice because wall of stomach is lined with mucus. Next question is, which of the following destroyed the toxic substance found in digestive food? Which of following destroyed the toxic substance found in digested food? Options are A. Stomach, B. Pancreas, C. Kidney, D. Liver. Correct answer is option D. Liver. So liver destroyed the toxic substance found in digestive food. Liver destroy the toxic substance found in digested food. Next question is, pepsin is a. Pepsin is a. Options are A. Hormone, B. Enzyme, C. Vitamin, D. Mineral. Correct answer is option B. Enzyme. Pepsin is a enzyme. So pepsin is a enzyme. Next question is, after digestion protein is converted into. After digestion protein is converted into. Options are A. Fat, B. Glucose, C. Amino acid, D. Glucose. Correct answer is option C. Amino acid. After digestion protein is converted into. Correct answer is amino acid. So after digestion protein is converted into amino acid. Next question is, in which of the following organ carbohydrate is stored as glycogen? In which of the following organ carbohydrate is stored as glycogen? Options are A. Intestine, B. Stomach, C. Liver, D. Pancreas. Correct answer is option C. Liver. So in liver organ carbohydrate is stored as glycogen. In liver organ carbohydrate is stored as glycogen. Next question is, bile is produced by. Bile is produced by. Options are A. Liver, B. Stomach, C. Pancreas, D. Duodenum. Correct answer is option A. Liver. Bile is produced by liver. So bile is produced by liver. Next question is, bile is stored in. Bile is stored in. Options are A. Gallbladder, B. Duodenum, C. Liver, D. Spleen. Correct answer is option A. Gallbladder. So bile is stored in gallbladder. Bile is stored in gallbladder. Next question is, main function of bile. Main function of bile. Options are A. To convert fat into fatty acid and glycerol, B. To convert fatty acid into fat and glycerol, C. Emulsification of fat, D. All of them. Correct answer is option A. To convert fat into fatty acid and glycerol. Main function of bile. So main function of bile is to convert fat into fatty acid and glycerol. Next question is, pacemaker is related with. Pacemaker is related with. Options are A. Kidney, B. Brain, C. Lung, D. Heart. Correct answer is option D. Heart. Pacemaker is related with heart. So pacemaker is related with heart. Next question is, function of pacemaker is. Function of pacemaker is. Options are A. To regulate the formation of urine, B. To regulate the process of digestion, C. To initiate heartbeat, D. To start the process of respiration. Correct answer is option C. To initiate heartbeat. Function of pacemaker is to initiate heartbeat. So function of pacemaker is to initiate heartbeat. In this video, information regarding 20 very important multiple choice questions has been given for the preparation of entrance exams. For MPH, Master of Public Health, MHA, Master of Hospital Administration, MSc Geology, Botany, MSc Biochemistry entrance exams for various university and institutes like ICMR, Bhubaneswar, Common University Entrance Test, CET PG, AIMS Raipur, AIMS Rishikesh, AIMS Jodhpur, JIPMER Puducherry, CMC Vellore, IIPH, Nimhans, Lucknow, Pune University, RUHS, and for all other university and institutes which conduct public health, hospital administration, and other competitive exams, and students who are preparing for various university and institutes, public health, hospital administration, and other competitive exams. And for this, if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. Thanks for watching this video.